Sawdust floating, bass in my brain. Stack sheets of birch in the bed. Big blue Ford tailgate down, I'm fed. Measure twice in the line, make it square. 2 tens waiting in the box over there. Cut lines clean, that plywood pale. Screws in a row like tracks on rails. Blue be thick, every edge locked tight. Clamp that frame, make it hold that bite. North man scribbled on the back of a bill. 32 hertz, I want glass to chill. Rider throwing sparks off the curve, I trace. Every round over built for bass to race. Baltic birch boombox in the back of my truck. Gray stain dripping, that's custom look. Brutal tins breathing, make the whole block shake. LED glow in the windows. Baltic birch boombox F150. Flex look clean while the lows go low. If you feel that rumble, you already know. Baltic birch boombox, steal the show. Sandpaper dance, corners turning smooth. Hand on the grain, till the edges groove. Stain run gray like a storm cloud coat. Wipe that excess, let the pattern flow. Drop in the bathroom gasket on the ring. Pre-drill holes so the screws don't sting. Why that weed, red, right, black, true. Crimp so tight you can hang from it too. Cut that window, clear sheet, perfect fit. Peel that film, can't scratch this kit. Seal every scene, keep that air in line. Wanna hear pressure when the bass rewind. Boombox in the back of my truck. Gray stain dripping, that's custom look. Brutal tins breathing, make the whole block shake. LED glow when the windows quake. Birch boombox F150. Flex look clean while the lows go low. If you feel that rumble, you already know. Baltic birch boombox, feel the show.